everyone, welcome back. It's end of November, Christmas coming, so the winter. Lots of people get worried before winter because all those nasty viruses, you get cold, you get flu, lots of flame. So it seems like you can't do anything. But today I'm going to show you one fermented recipe which can really help you to boost your immunity and also fight with those cold, cough, flame, nasty viruses. You don't need a lot of ingredients, only 3 ingredients and you are done. Honey, peach and superfood turmeric. Not so sweet, little bit turmeric flavor, little bit peach flavor, and little sour. The whole thing really awesome. In China, peach is considered a symbol of immortality. Peach is rich in vitamin C, zinc, and antioxidants. Vitamin C and zinc actually can help you to boost your immunity and also the antioxidants. So the ingredients I'm using today, honey, turmeric and peach, all are rich in antioxidants. So you can consider this fermented syrup. We can call it syrup. So this fermented peach, honey and turmeric is really rich in antioxidants and other vitamins. Let me show you the initial process. Make sure you are using raw and organic honey because if it's not raw, it's actually pasteurized. That means the live enzymes, the live yeast is no more in the honey when it's pasteurized. So if you want to ferment honey, you need to go for raw honey so that you get lots of live yeast which will help you to ferment the whole thing. Fermented foods are rich in probiotic bacteria. So by consuming fermented foods, you are actually adding good bacteria and enzymes to your overall gut flora. It's increasing the health of your gut microbiome and digestive system and also enhancing or boost your immune system. Make sure you are not using a lot of honey because if you use a lot of honey, then there will be enough moisture to do the fermentation. And if you notice that there is not enough bubbles and the fermentation is not active, you can just add a little bit water to make the honey a little bit liquid and to get some moisture. Or also you can use apple cider vinegar with mother. It will help you to speed up the fermentation because the apple cider vinegar with mother also has active yeast and bacteria which will help you to speed up the fermentation. I have this fermentation airlock lid to release gas or CO2 automatically without burping every day. If you don't have this lid, you can use any airtight jar, but make sure to burp every day because honey can really explode. This golden syrup looks amazing, the taste also awesome, but it can really mess up the color of your teeth. Make sure every time you are taking 1 spoon, you brush up within 5 to 10 minutes so that the turmeric will not mess up the color of your teeth. Let's see what happened after 3 days. right now this is after 4 days, and frankly speaking, it's not ready. I need to keep it for at least 1 to 2 weeks, and then the peaches will be little bit brownish and little bit soft. It could be little bit chewy as well. The turmeric will be not so strong. Right now, I can't eat the turmeric. It's quite strong. And after 2 to 3 weeks, the turmeric will be also quite soft. You can use this as condiment for your salad. You can also drizzle on pizza. You can also use on pancakes. Christmas coming, when you are doing the grilled chicken, you can also glaze with this liquid honey. It will be also very nice. In Singapore, we don't have winter. Yeah, I would have loved to have a white Christmas, but unfortunately we can't get that. But it's also raining always, especially from November to February. It's rainy season, and lots of people get cold, flu. So this is perfect for us also, even if we are not having winter. Before bedtime, 1 spoon. In the morning also, when we wake up, you can have 1 spoon. I give to my daughter also, and it really helps her to fight with flu, cold, especially when she's having lots of phlegm in her chest. It really helps to clear those. So you can try giving it to your children. You can try to give your other family members. This fermented honey is really tasty. It's very difficult to control. Every time I think I will just eat 1 spoon, but then I end up eating 2-3 spoons. So control yourself. This is still high in sugar, carbohydrates. If you are conscious about your weight, then you must not eat more than 1 spoon. So make at home, keep everyone safe, enjoy your Christmas. You can use the whole thing throughout the year. You can make different batches. You can make bigger batches, and you can keep outside in the room temperature. It will be fine. ढूंढा है तुझे आकाश धरती तले, शायद किसी नदिया पे चलता हुआ तू मिले, सपनों से भरे 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 नैना तेरे, सपनों से भरे 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 नैना तेरे, छू के बोले न छूना मुझे, छू के बोले न छूना मुझे. See you again. If you like this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell button. Bye.